Hello everyone and welcome to Tracy's Crafty Creations. Thank you for joining me. So in this tutorial I'm going to show this month's craft club from Magnolia Design Co. So it comes with the instructions, the chalk paste I'm going to use, and also the wooden round. I'm just going to take this out. This round is 10 inches circumference. The beaded hanger can be taken off. Then it comes with this 10 by 10 Peace on Earth Dove stencil. I do believe the chalk paste is Misty Silver or Misty Gray. I didn't even look. So here I am going to take my stencil out. Got my little fuzzing cloth ready. If you don't have a fuzzing cloth, you can use a t-shirt or any fiber microfiber, I'm sorry, microfiber cloth. I can't talk. Then here I'm just gonna fuzz it. Get my words mixed up. So I'm just gonna fuzz it. Get a little fuzz on there so when I take it off my surface it won't pull. And then I'm gonna try to center it as well as I can. I'm wonky, so a lot of my stuff when I try to center it come out wonky. This one came out pretty good actually. So I'm gonna get it centered right there, and I'm gonna rub it down, make sure there's no air bubbles anywhere underneath the stencil. There, I was checking to see if it was centered or not. It is for the most part. That's what matters. It looks good, that's all. So again, I'm just rubbing it down. Then here I'm just massaging the package, getting it all mixed in. I'm just gonna tear it, squeeze a little bit out. I don't know what I was saying right there, but so I'm just gonna squeeze it. Some people do like to put their paste or their ink on the surface. I rather do it this way because sometimes it will stain it. This one did really well when I washed it off. So then I'm just gonna continue doing this. And as soon as I'm done, I take it to the sink and I just rinse it down with kind of cool water to get it off. And I use my sprayer and it came off with no issues. I think I need an extra hand. So here I'm just going to keep going over it more than I usually would, but it's a larger surface. And I'm making sure I get all the way to the bottom. And what I like about this chalk paste, if I don't seal this surface, I can spray this with water and wipe it off and start all over again. But once you seal it, it takes a little bit more to get the sealant and this off. You have to basically sand it off. But there it is, the peel and reveal. It came out really pretty. So here I'm going to take a little more of this chalk paste. I'm going to squeeze it on this paper towel. And I am going to dry brush around the outside. This is not a requirement. This is just what I decided to do to cover up some of that white space around the outside. And I'm just going to go round and round. You can do it as heavy as you like or as light as you like. So that's all I am doing, and thank you again so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. I am a Magnolia designer, so the link to my website or the Magnolia website is in the description, so I hope you check it out. You don't have to buy anything, just take a look around. I do believe that there's a 12-day of sales going on, so just take a look. You might find something that you've been looking for. There's loads and loads of stencils, different colored chalk paste and chalk ink. Then I'm going to dry it, and here it is. I added a silver bow to it. Sorry about the picture. Because it's white, my camera wants to turn it beige. I don't know. But it is white. It is. And there's my little silver bow. I love how this turned out. It came out so pretty. So thank you for joining me. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.